Hello, in this video we will learn how to initiate auto switch transaction from your partner dashboard. First, visit samcomf.com and click on distributor corner from the top left of your screen and select login. Now enter your ARN and follow the simple steps. Once you have logged in, select the third option from the left of your screen, Investor Zone. Now from the list of investors, select the investor from whom you wish to initiate auto switch transaction. Now select the drop down menu and choose purchase option. Next, start by selecting the investor's folio. Next, you will be asked from which scheme the investor wishes to initiate the auto switch transaction from. Remember to always select Samco Overnight Fund, since this facility is only available to transfer funds from overnight fund to new scheme offer. Once you have selected Samco Overnight Fund, you will be asked if you wish to initiate timer STP or auto switch transaction. Select auto switch transaction and move forward with the amount you wish to transfer. For initiating auto switch transaction, 5,000 rupees is the minimum amount. Now select the scheme you wish to auto switch your funds from Samco Overnight Fund to the new scheme offer. Remember, this option is only available during the NFO duration. For example, here we will select Samco Active Momentum Fund. Next, fill in all your distributor information and submit. Next, review your purchase request and transaction summary. Remember to select this option to receive a copy of the mail. Now forward the investor payment. Now you will see transaction initiated page and also the payment link that you can copy paste to share with your clients directly. With this, we have come to an end of our video tutorial. If you wish to connect with us, you can call our support number or write to us on details visible on your screen.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.